sorry, it's so dusty in here. Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video, and today's video I'll be doing a review. I've already reviewed this before, but this is from Banish ACNE SCARS. By the way, if you see stuff flying, that's just dust. I don't know why, but it shows in the camera. But anyway, so the set I have is the scarring and acne kit. So it includes the banisher, the stamping micro needle, the pumpkin mask. It's also the serum, and I also wanted to try their brightening eye cream. So it looks like this, and it also came in with this spatula, this golden thing. And so yeah, let's talk about my experience. So I have been using this for a month now, and I have used this once a week. So how you use this stamping micro needle is that fill in alcohol in this, like maybe like half or even less than half. You fill alcohol and then like close this and turn it like this, so like the alcohol can like sanitize the needles. So you leave it on for like 5 minutes around, and then after 5 minutes you air dry it so that it's not wet. So I do this before and after I use it. So I know it's a waste of alcohol, but you want to make sure that it's clean. So after it is dry, you stamp it, and then rotate, stamp, and then move on to the other areas that you want to stamp on. And actually you can use this everywhere. I use this on my leg, my underarm, and because I have like scars on my legs, so I wanted to see if this works. I saw the result. I'm gonna show you guys the picture. So here is the before and after. As you can see, like it's not completely gone, but I can see the scars are less dark. You don't have to stop on the face using this. You can use this everywhere. Just make sure you use it correctly. Actually, I forgot to mention, before using the stamper, I wipe my face with toner. So I use this toner and then I start stamping. But anyways, after the stamper, I use this Banish serum. This serum looks like this. This serum feels like oil, but then what I noticed with using the stamper is that I feel like every time I use it, whenever I put serum and like moisturizer on, I feel like it gets absorbed into my skin really quickly, and it doesn't feel like really oily on my skin. I don't know about you guys, but if you guys like tried like oil moisturizer on and it feels like greasy or anything, this doesn't feel greasy on your skin. At first when you put it on, it does feel like it's really oily, but then after a while it's gonna like sink into your skin. So yeah. And so for this pumpkin mask, I use this maybe like once a week, because I do use like some other mask, like sheet mask on my skin. So I do it like, you know, alternatively. So the mask look like this. It does have like really strong pumpkin smell, but don't worry, you're gonna like wash it off anyways. It won't be on your skin. And the good thing about their product is that they always use fresh ingredients, and because their ingredients are like mostly natural, that's why they have to like make it fresh for you to use. And so for this one, you have to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes on your skin, and then you can wash it off. When I first tried this, I did feel like a bit of tingle, but then now I'm used to it. And then for the eye cream, this is how it looks. Obviously you guys can see I haven't used that much because it is a lot of product in here. So I do use this spatula to like scoop out some, and I just use my finger to spread it out, because it's just hygienic to use spatula rather than your fingers, because you never know, your fingers might be dirty. I don't know. Anyways, if I don't feel like hydrated enough, I do use this moisturizer on top of the serum. Yeah, especially now it's winter, my skin feels so dry, so I need a lot of moisturizer. So before, I always have like oily skin. My skin type is always oily, and my skin is actually really sensitive. But now, as I'm getting older, I feel like my skin is getting more dry. I don't know. I would recommend this product for you guys who also have sensitive skin. So obviously, I still have redness and scars. I feel like this product will just like heal your dark spots, but the redness not so much. But yeah, I do feel like my skin texture got improved. So yeah, of course it's still not perfect, but here's my skin. So for you guys who want to try these products, I recommend you guys to get the starter kit, because you can save up, I think, 60 or 90 US dollars for 6 or 5 products. I'm not sure, but anyways, I will link their products down below so you guys can check it out. And I also have discount code, so if you guys want to use it, I will also mention it down there. I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.